Look at what just arrived at my doorstep. It's a 2025 Sephora advent calendar and we have to open this immediately. I know it's only September, but I saw it available in the app and I had to order it. I only know a few things that are in here because I didn't want to look and spoil it, so let's see if it's actually worth the money. I will say I like the red color a lot more than I liked the green one last year. And here's what the inside looks like. I think it's really cute. And there's a huge one for day number 23. Let's open number 1 though, which is right here. It looks like a Danessa Myricks blush. It's a Danessa Myricks blush in the shade Unbothered, which is this really pretty pink shade. This is actually really good for day number 1, and it's a full size. Okay, day number 2 is right here. Now I'm remembering how much I struggled last year to get them out of the package. Okay, day number 2 was the ABH Clear Brow Gel. Why do I feel like this is in every single Sephora like favorites kit? I have gotten so many of these and I don't want them. I don't like them. Okay, day number 3 is a little bit bigger. It's a mini Amika hair mask. I feel like this is good, but not that exciting. Day number 4. Oh, it's a mini Skylar perfume, I think. A mini Vanilla Sky perfume. I've actually always wanted to try this one. I always see Leah from Love Island talking about this brand, and I feel like I would trust her with scent. It's really light, but it does smell really good. This one's actually really exciting. I feel like last year's fragrances kind of sucked, but this is actually a scent that I would wear. It smells really good. Okay, number 5, I think. This little baby one. It's like a tiny mini Giorgio Armani My Way perfume. So small though. Not very exciting either. Number 6 though looks really exciting because it's really big. This looks like a full size. This is an Ordinary cleanser. I can't tell if this is a full size. It's like big, but it's also kind of small. But I mean, I could always use a face cleanser. Number 7's right here in the corner. Ooh, it's a Way spray. I'm dumb. This is a Way leave-in conditioner. I kind of want to smell it. It smells pretty good. I love Way products though, and I like trying their stuff, so I feel like this is a good one. Number 8 is down here. Oh, is this the Rare Beauty perfume? A little baby Rare Beauty perfume. It's like the little roll-on one. I unfortunately already have this, but I feel like this is pretty good. Like, I feel like if I didn't have it, I'd be really excited to get this in the calendar. Number 9. It's just a mini Peter Thomas Roth moisturizer. For some reason, I also feel like I have a million of these, so like, again, just not exciting. Okay, number 10. What is this? This is some kind of sunscreen. I don't really know this brand. Ultraviolet SPF 50 sunscreen. 11's this like really cute pink one, so I feel like it has to be good. Number 11 is a Color Wow extra large bombshell volumizer. Also really like this hair brand, so I feel like this is a good one. Then number 12, and we're gonna make sure to actually do 12 and not 21 because I get them confused. Unlike every advent calendar last year, I'd open 21 instead of 12. Oh, it's a Stay product. This is their glowy super gel in Star Glow, my favorite shade, but I also have like a million of these. But a 10 out of 10 product. And here's everything that was in the advent calendar so far from number 1 to 12. I feel like some of these products are really good. Some of them are just meh. But let me know if you guys think it's worth the money so far and if you want to see part 2.